So the plan for this week is to try and cut enough trim boards to finish trimming out the interior on the cabin and finish building a few of the window boxes I got left. I'm really hoping that there's enough of these logs that still got enough good wood left in them to get this all finished up. They're getting pretty old, so we'll see. I may have to throw more of them away than what I'm going to keep, but as long as I get enough out of here to finish up the trim and a few interior pieces I need, and then the rest of them I can go ahead and scrap. After I get the milling done for the trim boards, I'm planning on doing a little bit of trail clearing out in the woods, and the kids have been on me a little bit to build them a sandbox, so I'll try to work on that yet this weekend, but we'll just see how it goes. One of those limbs by my rear tire there hit my front tire and knocked the valve stem out of it. I'll have to roll this back up to the shop through the woods and change the valve stem and roll it back out here. How long are you expecting this to last? Unless it's all painted up and stuff.
that. Make it a little more kid friendly.